Ah,
All right, today we're going to bring a smart video doorbell, and this is a very compact little doorbell. If you guys can see, it has a button in here that you push the button for the actual shine, the actual ringer. In the ringer, you have options to change the ringer to different tones, also the audio volume. All right, and also you got options. You could screw this behind the wall. It has options. It has this thing to release the actual mechanism, and also this adhesive, double-sided adhesive, very strong. Once you put this in there, it's hard to take off. Charging station, because you are going to require to charge this once in a while. On the side of the actual system itself, you got your USB and your reset button, which is going to be your power button. To power it up, you hold on the button here, and that's pretty much it. All right, and this clips onto the system itself. We're going to test it out and see how it works. All right, so this is the app that you're going to require. We're going to open it up. All right, to turn it on, we're going to turn it on here. All right, hold on the button. 1, 2, 3. It starts clicking away. Once it starts blinking, all you got to do is hit that plus button. All right, we're going to hit the plus, add new device, and we're going to look for this device. So you can see the camera moving around. Now, from the camera itself, you could take videos directly. That means I could record right here. It's capturing live. And then you can also take pictures in here, and it saves into the manual. Now you got a couple of options. You got audio, an alarm system, sleep mode, and then speak. That means that if you have a drop-off box and you want to speak, you want to say test 1 2 3.
Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3.
And it sends the audio to the other side. So this is the USB that we just plugged in right now. And you can change it here to different shines. Lower it down. That's the highest. You're gonna have to pair this. And to pair, you hold on the button until you see the light. You see the light working? Now you come in here and you hold it for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is. So now when you click on it, the chime works. I'm gonna demo you guys how this thing works, all right? So somebody's gonna go in the front door and push the button, and we're gonna talk to Wei. You hear the chime, and then you go in there, and you could answer it. And you could say, you could talk to them. It's gonna connect to the system. So anybody that's delivering, or maybe an emergency, or something's happening. Under library, you could see your actual history in here. And then users, you could share this amongst your family. Can you say test?
Frank?
Yes.